Yeah man, good morning my people. Welcome back, Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Where I say, happy Sunday to each and every one. Dog behind the camera, Nadisha, Chrissy, come, entire team, nothing but love. So today we are head out again. We are giving some gungo peas rice. You know, we are giving some fried shark. And I mean with some orange pineapple sauce. So we are head up on the Cave Hill side. The type of content what we aim to give you guys, we want to go all over Jamaica till we're ready to take on the Caribbean and the rest of the world. So that's why we're called Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. You know, so big up on yourself my people and keep on supporting the channel. You know, the channel is growing, really love that, you know. And we're in it to win. So that's why we invest so much in this, our time, money, everything we invest in this. So catching up on the journey, man. See back there. You're ready. Back to school time, dog, right?
Yeah, man. Out again.
This is. Yes, peeps. Blessed Sunday to you all. Yeah, man. We're out again, man. Blessed love.
Yeah, man. Boss look clean on the front screen now.
Fully active.
You never stay first then.
And you can't come back here after.
Yeah. What's up this way? See? Hey. First me I notice. You open this. Look up there so Kevin is here.
Yeah, my people, so we reach on the surface. We shoot video today at cave in Westmorelan. Actually, at the first we are going to shoot video here, so we come here already still, but we never get to shoot the video.
Yeah, we reach on the surface and also we'll get the wood them line up. We look some, we are going to the bush, you know, which part we'll get now, we'll go get the wood them line up and get the fire started because the time kind of late. We kind of left out late, so we'll get, go in the bush now and get some wood, kick off the bar. Boom. Wood man, a wood. We don't use stick catch fire. Wood we use. Stick can't catch fire because we don't cook the house spot. Boom. Yeah, pigs, fire blaze. So now get the coconut start out. Dig them out, wash them off, and start grating them. Meanwhile, time I'm gonna get the water for sit on the gungo. You know, time I run, so we are do what we have to do. There, fire blaze already. Yeah man, fire blaze. See there. Peas are going on fire now, gungo peas. Do what we have to do. Get the coconut them start out.
Pot on, we are going to add 2 cups of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, washing the peas, adding a heat. Yeah. Kind of the behind schedule. So, as you know, we're there, so we have to do what we have to do, right dog?
Yes man.
Yeah, big up to Chef Gary, you know?
Yeah. Jonah, pick up yourself. You don't know what it is. China, there's something brother.
Yeah, so we're adding the peas. And gungo peas are in season now because you know gungo peas is very traditional when it comes on to Jamaican culture because of Christmas time now, so we get gungo peas a lot now, so we are going to use up a lot of gungo peas.
Yes man, fire blaze.
So we're also going to add some tomato peas. So today we are shooting video at cave in Westmorelan. So that's the pump. So that's where they get the water from. Pump all to the community. And this is where a lot of persons come and collect their drinking water. There's the water coming out of the mountain. Water cool. Oh. The water is coming from.
Yeah, people, gungo peas are boiled up, so we're dashing coconut milk. Good on coconut milk, well greater. And squeeze. Yes, man. I'll squeeze until one more time. So we squeeze where I get it. I'll hold it past squeeze, yeah. See there. I'll hold the water for water right now.
Narisha, where you going up is a wood?
I'll put it in the fire.
Eh?
I'll stick me up with the knife.
We stick.
The water don't cook.
Yeah guys, so the shark that we're doing is the main headline, but not everyone wanna eat the shark. Chrissy don't want it, Nadisha don't want it. So we have to substitute something for them. So we're just gonna do some fried chicken. So we're adding some season, powdered season, we're adding a little garlic powder to it, chicken season, a little all-purpose season. And you know we can't go without using the all-purpose spice, man. Good old pimento seed, you know. Just gonna add some of our local blended season. Scallion, onion, thyme, pepper, garlic, ginger. And a little piece of bell pepper in it. So we're gonna rub in and leave it to marinate. Yes, sir. You want some of this, dog?
You want to go eat peas today?
Oh.
So we'll get the gungo rice and peas. Season up, 3 stalker, crushed scallion, a piece of onion, half an onion. Yeah man. Black pepper and some fresh thyme. Piece of bell pepper. And a little Maggi all-purpose.
I think that.
Stir the paste. What do you want to stick of butter? Stir and then we taste. And then cover and let it boil up and then put in the rice. This piece, after washing the rice 3 times, we get in the rice right now. Gungo rice will boil up. Watch custard put it up.
Happy Sunday, guys.
Yes,
Caribbean vibes cooking, you know.
it's a good look out, man.
Did it again, you know. Also want to say thanks to each and every one who are watch the videos them, you know. To appreciate the support, you know. We finally make it to our 4,000 watch hour. And you are the one who watching the videos, because we only can put out so many videos and so many great ideas. But you guys are the one who are supporting the channel, watching the videos, make the videos reach to 4,000 watch hour in 365 days.
Yeah.
And from the bottom of our heart, we just want to say thank you guys.
Yeah, man. Big up, man. Big up,
Yeah,
peeps,
we just
man.
want to say thank you guys for watching the videos. We appreciate it.
Really, really appreciate it.
Yeah, 4,000 watch hours. It's not like it's a walkover. Yeah,
Yes,
but
sir.
we made it, guys. And it's all because of you. Thank you.
You know, we get in the rice and also we'll come up here and make it go and boil up. When it boil up, we just jar the fire, put a piece of bag over it and make it steam.
Yes, the water boil up. So I'm gonna use some cinnamon sticks. So I'm just gonna rinse them out. 4 of them. We're using some ginger, so we're gonna draw them. Also gonna add some pimento seed. Yeah, so we're gonna cover it and allow it to boil up. And then wash off the sorrel and add the knife.
As you can see, I get the shark slice up to get it seasoned up. And make it go and soak until we have the time, the fire, put it on. Shark for days, man. Yeah. Good old shark meat. Oh my world.
And this I shark, solo Jonah or I whale? Which one?
I will answer.
Oh, okay, when I shark, that the shark them I want to eat in.
The whale when swallow was Jonah you want it.
I want him want to eat next.
You have to go back in the time, man. He's supposed to dead like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
then he's still alive.
And he's still and grandpick and great grandpick never real.
Hey, well, me want to eat that the whale there.
A good whale that. I best whale that to eat. If he swallow the man and he don't eat him. Hey. Okay. Man, shark meat pretty man. Shark meat videos.
Very expensive in some country,
Yeah.
especially the fin of the shark.
the teeth.
Yeah, because in some country they use the fin to make shark soup. And it's pretty expensive. Yeah, you're gonna taste it today, Cam, don't worry. So, we're gonna add in the sorrel.
So real.
Yeah, so we allow the ginger to draw for at least 10-15 minutes. So we're adding in the sorrel now.
People want a sorrel for Christmas, you know, you're not going to sorrel dumpling yet.
Nope. So we're gonna cover it and allow it to steam.
Yeah, people, so you get the shark meat seasoned up now. After 10 minutes in a vinegar water, you're going to get it seasoned up now. Break down the rawness, you have to add a little lime juice in the water with the vinegar. So you get the seasoned up now. You add on some Maggi all purpose. So yes, people, you add a little bit of garlic salt to the shark. Yeah. And the good old pimento. Crushed pimento. Yeah, the good old blend up season. Pepper, sweet pepper, as known as bell pepper, thyme, ginger. Adding the good blend up season. Gita stir. Oh my world! Can't wait to get in a shop. You add a look at it. Good old jerk season. Give it a good flavor. You get a taste now. Oh my world! Yeah, peeps. I can't wait. It is a shark I go on the fire.
Man, love raw meat.
No man, cook meat.
I want a sushi.
My meat have to cook. No raw meat out here. Straight cook. Fire. See that? Show me fire, please. Fire. My meat have to go on fire. Show me fire, boy. Hey, boy, show me fire. Yeah, peeps. So we're going to leave it for about 15 minutes to go and marinate. And then we get it on the fire. Yeah.
After the rice dry down, we're just going to cover it with a clean plastic bag. You can use plastic wrap, file paper, but we prefer to use a plastic bag. So we just wet it and just line it over the pot, so that this will allow the rice to steam properly. You could just drop just a little bit of water over it. Yeah.
Fully active.
Yeah, so this will allow the rice to steam. So this is how you actually get the rice to be perfect when you come on to shelly and nice. Yeah. And this is how our grandparents do it, our great grandparents. This is how. So this has been passing on, you know, to generation to generation. This is how we cook Jamaican rice and peas.
I go miles to find my wood, because I wouldn't there for. I buy a cup of make it fireplace. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we are going to make an egg wash for the chicken. So we're using 3 eggs and a small box of milk. So we're going to also add a little all-purpose season to it. We're going to add a little garlic powder. And it's best if you use a whisk to whisk it. Also, you can use a board spoon, any spoon you have. But because if we're using a metal spoon, then it will scrape in, so the camera will pick up all of that. So we're using a board spoon. So this is a egg milk wash for the chicken. So this is it. Adding the chicken into the egg wash. So we go squirt them in the flour, you know, gentle dust them off. So we add scallion, onion, thyme,
To the
garlic to the eye.
Yeah. Chicken and drop in water. You cook on top of the
Going through adding the chicken into the milk with egg wash. Just tossing them through it. And if you are allergic to milk, you can substitute it with just using the egg. But because I want the chicken to have this nice milky flavor to it, that's why I'm using both. The Colonel no have nothing for that one, you know. Yeah, we are using hand make fashion, so we're running out of utensil. So I'm just using a clean bag. Just to add the flour in a hit and then toss them in a hit.
Yeah, peeps, you can see oil hot, so we'll get in the shark in the oil. That's small. Good old shark. Yeah? Yes, man.
Coconut oil, man, it's a fraud.
Coconut oil, man. And then vegetable oil, because vegetable oil no fraud, so. Yeah. Get in the good old shark. Can't wait to get in it. Gungo rice and peas. Sorrel drinks. Oh my world. Yes, enough of the peeps. French fry shark. Alongside a little French fried chicken, because you know. You know how people in Sunday are nice without a little French fried chicken, you know. Yeah, man. Them are people. Oh, it's a shark for days.
It's a shark ring. Eat more.
Come like a woman shark. It come like a woman shark piece, man. This is a man shark. Yeah. Rink. Oh my word. The piece, you can see. Shark. Ready now, so you have to put it first. French fry shark. Oh my word. Everyone can't wait to get it.
I'm going to taste the first piece. Think of other day with my fish.
I tell you about the island, you know. I walk on the island, but I do coconut with fish. You know how far to come on, you can see there. French fry shark.
Look at this, my people.
Yes, man. French fry shark. Fully active.
Man, you don't get that in the Jonah.
Ah. Taste it. I want to get a fish, you know. I love a fish.
Man,
Yes, man, just take all the cookies right here. If you're right, no, do nothing. Just taste all the cookies. Just taste all the cookies right here. All of that is right here. Come on, see the people. French fry shark. Don't taste nothing wrong with it. I cool him 80% the first time, you know. Yeah, man.
yeah, man.
Nice, man.
Shark is everything.
You know, eat shark one time, people. Yeah, man. Nice. Pull it.
Oil hot. We're adding scallion, bell pepper, garlic, ginger, thyme. So we're washing the pineapple skin, adding it in. So we're gonna make a pineapple orange sauce. Tossing them in the pot. we can produce liquid, started to build flavor. So we're gonna add some orange juice. Yeah, my people, we add a little piece of butter in the sauce. I'm gonna add some ketchup, some tomato ketchup, all-purpose season, help to enhance the flavor of the sauce, a little brown sugar, a little soy sauce, we're going to cover, allow the sauce to boil. You can taste both pineapple and orange juice, and the thing about making sauce, you have to balance both flavors because you don't want them to clash. You can pick up the difference between the pineapple and the orange juice.
Yeah, we miss it here, it's a China one.
It's optional. So we're gonna taste the sauce and see if there's anything else. It could take a little bit more spice, but because we have kids, so we're not gonna overpower the sauce with spice. So we're gonna make it optional, so we could actually add like a little piece of green pepper when consuming your meal. Like that.
And to the exploration.
You want to
The
take a
oil
shot?
is up on the low. Oil. French fry shark,
See the guys, French fry shark, you know? Yeah, man.
orange pineapple sauce, gungo rice and peas. Can't wait to get in it.
Sorrel juice.
Sorrel juice, boom.
Up.
You know, ice cream on the past 3 years. Yes, man. There, man. Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Two me that cone, baby. Two me that cone.
Really active. Yeah, the team fully out. Yes, man, the team fully out. Brother Jonah.
Outside. We're here, you know. Can't wait to get in it.
Oh,
You see a shark eat it. Wait till me walk.
Michael.
Brother dog, I'm here.
Get them ready. Get them.
Full farm.
Party ball. Fully out.
There you are going easy.
Yes, man.
Full team out.
How that? How that?
Frosty.
Frosty. Yeah, man. You don't drink the rum and you frost people. Yes, man. Yeah, man, the team out, man. Lady Chrissy.
Big up.
Wifey.
Oh, you know.
Boss boy.
Watch that. Put him in a pot there.
Yeah, man. I put it in the last shark, I put it in the pot. But people not tell like the island, we buy the island, we don't trust the island. Yeah?
Watch out people. You know, see, no, I want 40 legs drop out right in a stick right there, so see him there. See him there. See him there. See him there.
Roast.
See him there.
40 leg, well roast.
See him there.
Well, look at one.
Yeah, man, see the French fry shark for days. Oh my word. I want to put in the last shark. Big man lover. Yes, man. Real natural water, no
Every time.
preservative, nothing. Yeah man, real natural water from the spring.
What do you mean?
Yes,
Respect, man.
yes man. Cool man. Yes man. Man are eating ice cream man. What you say? Fully active.
Have a little licky.
No bite it.
No biting. No biting, me a licky.
Kevin. Ice cream break. Come, what do you? Relax, man. Let the people have their ice cream break, that's all.
They drop off.
What's the time man? You know bite it. What you do?
Licking.
Eat it.
Eh?
Eat it.
No, I suck it, suck it.
Oh my word. Me just get tonight. I'm here. Oh my word. Caribbean Vibe Vlog. One more Sunday. We're out here again endorsing the thing to the fullness. Oh my word. Deep fried shark.
And the best partner come at it.
And the best partner coming.
It's sauce.
Look at how weird we get tonight. Yeah, them right.
Yeah man, I eat this up. I eat this up. I'm always I eat we are eating today. I best look on him. Lovely, wonderful.
I might eat
Yeah, man.
we are eating. I might eat people we are eating. Take a good look. A film time we get it.
So we are straining. And you can smell the cinnamon. You can smell the ginger and the pimento seed.
Oh my world. Can't wait to get into these drinks.
So we're straining off all the juice running. Nothing now got to waste. Come again, brother dog.
Nothing now waste, no. Everything I chose. Everything. Whoa. Oh my word.
Yeah man, that's how you go my people. So you go man.
I'll get a second string still.
Yeah. But bottom line, nothing now go. Bottom line, nothing now. Just throw about this in our pot man and then we just
String now.
Oh, no, do. Well, go on. Talk to the people. The cool.
They're cool.
Water cool.
yeah man.
Yes, man. Come on, we'll get a second string.
Man.
Rich. Nothing now left in the pot. Everything we are short. Oh. Yes, please. So we'll get this sweetened. But it is optional with the rum. Because of the kids, we don't want to put the rum in it. Yeah. No, sorry. Good. With the good old whites. Yeah. Ginny, Ray and Neville. Yeah, we get the sweet now. Thieves can't wait to get it.
Rich.
Christmas, I don't know. Christmas, they really call me. So I start the Christmas like this. Good old gungo rice and peas, sorrel drinks, French fry shark. I like a French fry chicken because you know, typical Jamaican look in chicken. If they cook 1 million meat, then can't do without cook piece of fried chicken. That's Jamaican.
Yeah, we have a season's greeting from Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family, you know.
Yes, sir.
You know, wishing you guys all the best for the Christmas when they come. And we are going to do a whole heap more video for the new year. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we are finish up, wrap up the vlog so I can get here, you know.
Oh my word! You can taste the flavor of the cinnamon and the pimento and the ginger. Can't wait for some ice night. Oh, nice! Fully active. Yes, peeps, as I can see, ship come ashore. So we have a dock off now and let off. Good old sorrel rice, good old gungo rice a share. Just can't wait to eat the sorrel rice like Christmas. Just as we make the sorrel drinks, can't wait for the sorrel rice. And the sorrel dumpling, oh my word. Come on, ship come ashore, man.
Yeah, smell the coconut.
Oh my word, there's a picture
Coconut
type of.
turn up in there because of 2 coconut we use.
Yeah, man, there's a picture type of, there's a lick off my nose.
You guys can hear that? That's the pressure of the water. That's the pressure of the so force the water is, that's the pressure of it built up. Yeah, so we're sharing the meat for the kids and for the people them who don't really eat the shark. Chicken. For the people them who don't want to know the shop and get them out of the way, man. Keep them. Chrissy, you want to taste the shark? How comes? And the shark. Get KFC though. You see how I prepare? You ever see how I prepare? Oh. Fly. I hate this, right? All our people them when I want a shark come take up on a plate. Yeah, me I go try catch it.
You can ride up on the bike. Is that for me? Give me some food.
Juicy. Shark. I'm on time and show to eat shark, you know. Shark food to show.
Shark for days. Sunfire, them are work, you know.
Same time now, night I come down.
Yeah.
Whatever you thought. You got me head up, you make me belly a bar.
Hold on, man. I'm tell you what.
Can't wait to get to my joke. Shark for days.
Yeah, so we are share the drinks them. The drinks. In a festive season, so we have to keep it festive, you know.
Let's see go on.
Like it sauce.
Yes, I like this sauce. Thank God, I'll go on.
Dog, long time I don't come in and tell you. French fry shark are bad, tough. With the gungo rice, brother, Christmas I know. A long time I don't feel so good. Yeah man, brother, sweet. Up.
Yes, that's what I said that. Guys, I'm big bad, you know, like coconut milk, turn up in egg.
Yeah.
French fried chicken with the orange pineapple sauce. Remember me tell you, thumbs up. Bad, bad.
How going, bad boy?
There.
Can't people talk.
It's nice, the boss. Can't talk to the all the way, you don't talk.
Fully active.
Yeah, you know. Shark, tough. No, line. Right off.
No, let them say tough because them office say,
No,
I cook you know cook good.
I mean say tough.
Yeah.
I'm say tough.
Yeah, me understand.
God, no.
We have to explain to them. No, me like
I'm a finger the more like a.
Oh,
Talk bad.
Yeah, man.
You can't conquer here, you conquer him.
yes. Chrissy.
Good, nice beef. No shark, but chicken. There you go.
Yeah.
Sauce, bad.
Sorry, baby.
Sorrel drink. Refreshing. Cinnamon, stick, pimento, everything.
Oh.
Flavorful.
So you go on now, teacher.
Yeah, man, the thing active, man.
Fully.
No say shark out and ready, chicken ready, gungo rice and peas ready. Sorry, refreshing man the same Sunday, you know it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, so you have to say man thing happen, so just go and keep in tune to the thing, you hear that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Caribbean vibes together.
Caribbean vibes cooking, you know?
Yes, sir.
Right, yes, sir.
Fully active.
Fully active.
Out there.
Actually done. Look here. Beef. Actually done. We have food nights and I'm hungry. I can't even wait till the camera reach and I see the beef food actually done. Hungry rice and peace stuff.
Make it a drink set.
Yeah, I'm not going to drink that. I'm going to drink.
Get peace, not up. French fry shop. Oh my world. Acha. Gungo rice and peas. Orange pineapple sauce. Hold on. Oh my world. Sorrel. I tell you can taste the flavor of the cinnamon, the pimento, the ginger. Oh my. Acha. Can't wait. One more cup.
My people, another day well spent. Cave in Westmorelan. First time we are shoot video here, so. So the pineapple with the orange sauce, said it all, fried shark. Tastes like chicken.
Fully active.
And the cinnamon in the sorrel drinks. It's so amazing.
Yeah.
And about, we could have used rum in it, but because we have the kids, so it's optional. You know? Because the rum would have helped enhance the flavor, but we make the sorrel drink without the rum in it because of the kids.
Yeah.
And man, you can taste the cinnamon, you can taste the sorrel, the ginger, the pimento, everything. But you don't know what to do, man. Like, comment and share, man. Subscribe for the next video.
Wait a
Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell.
Come.
Remember to try out the food, it's nice.
Jonah.
I just came in out of the river. I don't know which time I know.
Yeah.
Can't wait to get it.
Fully active.
It's a food, bro.
Perfect.
Yeah man, food nice. Let's try chicken and hungry rice and peas. I never eat shark yet and I'm not gonna try it, so I'm out.
So yes, please remember to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to Big Bad Caribbean Vibes. Fully out. See you next week.
Caribbean vibes cooking. Another beautiful evening. Just coming out of the water and the last one eating feet. Everybody's plate, beautiful. French fry. Shark. Gungo peas rice. Oh my word. Can't even talk, you know. Final touch. Sorrel juice. Oh my word, please look at that. Red, not white. Wow. Natural. Not too much ginger, not too much nothing. That's right. Remember, my peeps, like, share, subscribe to the channel. And also remember to beat up the notification.
Peeps, me I tell you, me had a look.
Also comment.
Me had a look of rum night. Me I tell you, God no. We don't want it done.
Get tonight.
Nice.
Get them brother dog.
Oh my world. Yeah man. A big bad channel man. Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Boom.